We present you our acrylic brushes. The white brush series features synthetic bristles and is recommended for beginners who are starting in the nail art field. The multicolor brush series has Kolinsky bristles and is specially designed for nail artists with intermediate to advanced experience in nail application. The rose gold brush series also features Kolinsky bristles and is specifically designed for professional nail artists at an advanced level. In general, these brushes are used for natural nail extensions and encapsulations, providing better control of acrylic and monomer retention. They come with protective caps to ensure the safety of the brush bristles. These brushes are widely used by thousands and thousands nail artists in over 25 countries in the Americas and Europe.